Good morning, everyone. Our subject name is Hospital and Clinical Pharmacy. Hospital and Clinical Pharmacy divided into two parts. That first one is Hospital Pharmacy and second one is Clinical Pharmacy. In that first part, in that Hospital Pharmacy added the parts of or departments of hospitals. And in Clinical Pharmacy, in that added the rational use of drug or adverse effect of drugs. Now let's see our first part. In that first chapter, hospital. Today, on the situation of corona, hospital is playing important role. So now let's see the definition of hospital. It is the complex organization utilizing combination of specialized scientific equipments and functioning through a group of trained people educated to a problems of modern medical science and maintenance of good health. That means hospital means what? The combination of specialized scientific equipments and a trained people for educated to the modern medical science and maintenance of good health. That means the combination of equipments and trained people for maintenance of good health. Now let's see the classification of hospital. Hospital can be classified into four types. In that first one is clinical basis, second one is non-clinical basis, third one is on the basis of size, and last one is on the basis of cost. Now let's see the first type, clinical basis of classification. In that first one, on the basis of major disease. In that now the example of on the major disease we can include the corona hospital also. Then second one, example is psychiatric hospital or mental hospital, TB hospital, leprosy hospital, cancer hospital. Then second, on the basis of their anatomical and physiological specialization. In that add the part of body. That in that example, ear, nose and throat hospital, that means ENT hospital, orthopedic hospital, eye hospital, kidney hospital. Another example is cardiac hospital also. Then third one, on the basis of client group. In that example, pediatric hospital for children, gynecological hospitals for women, maternity hospitals for mothers. And last one, on the basis of systems of medicines. In that example, allopathic hospitals, Ayurvedic hospitals, homeopathic hospitals, Unani, nature care centers, and physiotherapy centers. Then now let's see the second type or class, non-clinical basis classification, or is also called as on the basis of ownership. Non-clinical basis can be classified on the basis of ownership, either as government or public hospital and private hospital. In that first one is government or public. They are subdivided into three types. Central government hospital, in that example railway hospital, defense hospital. Second one state government hospital, example civil hospital, JJ hospital. And third one local self-government hospital, BMC hospitals. Then in that second, non-government or private. They also divided into three subtypes. Trust, example is Jaslok Hospital, Mumbai, Mumbai Hospital, Mumbai. Limited companies, Apollo Hospital and also Wockhardt Hospital. Then last one, religious bodies or others. Ramakrishna Hospital, Sri Santa Sai Baba Hospital. Then third one, on the basis of size. On the basis of size can be divided as per the bed capacity. In that first one, large hospital, bed capacity 1000 and above. Medium hospital, bed capacity 500 to 1000. Small hospital, bed between 100 to 500. And very small hospital, bed capacity less than 100. Then last one, on the basis of cost. In that divided into elite hospital and budget hospital. In that first one, elite hospital, they also called as 5-star hospital. Now let's see the theory in that added in the elite hospital. These are the symbols of high technology and advance in medical science. They have deluxe rooms equipped with TV, telephones and refrigerator. The rooms rate vary from 500 to 1200 per day. But now the room rate vary from 3000 to 500 also. They are called as 5-star hospitals. These elite institutions have provisions for some poor peoples for their treatment and stay. Last one, budget hospital. These hospitals are meant for the moderate budget and low budget persons. Example, civil hospital and charitable hospitals. So now let's see the functions of hospitals. The main function of hospital is a patient care, or the main motto or aim of hospital is the patient care. In that, it includes service for the diagnosis, prophylaxis and treatment of disease to the sick and injured patient. Then second one is public health. The hospitals are required to support all the activities carried out by the various public health and voluntary agencies such as immunization program, blood donation camp, social and economics rehabilitation, health education, etc. by providing facilities and advice. Then third one, medical research. Medical research is an important activity in the hospital that help in developing a new method of treatment and improving the hospital service. For example, surgery, laboratory, diagnostic. And now because of corona, the research is ongoing for the vaccine of corona. Now let's see the fourth function, educational training. This facility particularly for medical students, pharmacists, nursing and medical technologists and allied health professionals help to fulfill their curriculum requirement. Hospital also educate the general public through the lectures and demonstrations on the preventive aspect of common and serious disease. Then last one, counseling and patient advice. It is a modern concept adopted in a big hospital for the well-communicable disease, epidermis and family welfare. Also, communication and patient advice is the now main role of pharmacist